All right, guys, so we just finished taking notes on the actual algorithm for subtracting integers, and then we also modeled that out with counters or models. So the last thing we're going to do is use the number line to model this out. And again, the reason why we have three separate things is so that we have a couple different ways for this information to really solidify in our brain. You're gonna have a blank space here on the bottom, just like last time. Just leave that, it's fine. Okay, first thing you're gonna need to do here, let's just go ahead and number this number line. And 0, hopefully I get it right this time. 1, go ahead and number yours. Okay, ideally I would like you to have 4 different colors available to you right now because we're gonna do 4 examples on this number line. You could use highlighters to write with, or you could use colored pens. If you don't have that, it's all right, but see if you can find 4 colors. Okay, if you don't have that, try to get it. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. Okay, we're gonna do 4 examples here of subtracting integers. So, our first problem, just write it down here in the bottom left. We're gonna do 4 minus -6 equals. I guess you kind of need 5 colors, but we'll figure this out. All right, I'm gonna use my blue highlighter here. Oh my gosh, can't get the lid off. Okay, and we know that the way you do this is you change the problem to addition, and you change the sign of the second value, okay? And then you treat it like an addition problem. So if we were using a number line with this addition problem, 4 plus 6, we're gonna start at 0. Our first first line is gonna go from 0 to 4. And then our second line is gonna go for, we're gonna add 6 to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do a dot here. So that this lands us on 10. So now my answer here is 10. Okay, I'm not gonna highlight this example. I'm gonna leave this one as my blank one. Okay, let's do another example. So this time we're gonna do, we'll write it over here in this corner. -4 minus +6. Okay, we're going to use, you know what, actually, yeah, let's just do this. Use your same color here. Change it to addition and change the sign. Okay, so now our problem is -4 plus -6. So we're treating it as an addition problem. This time, do it above here. We'll go from here 0 to -4. And then our second line, we're counting 6 more down since it's -4 plus -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this gets us to -10. Take one of your highlighters. I'm gonna use yellow here. And how will do this? I think I just wanna underline this problem in yellow. Or I guess I could like box it in. And then I'm gonna highlight this example in yellow because that goes together. Okay. All right, we're gonna do 2 more examples. This is gonna get very colorful. All right, let's go this corner up here. Next problem, -4 minus -6. Very similar to the one down here, right? But in this example, we have -4 instead of +4. So same process. I'm gonna use this blue again. Change to addition, change the sign. Now our addition problem is -4 plus 6. So let's go ahead and do this. So we'll go 0 to -4 as our first line. And then from here, we have to add +6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should have been drawing a line that whole time. And that lands us on 2. Let's color code this. I have a pink pen here. I'm gonna be creative. I'm just gonna square this off in pink and square my example off in pink. Okay. All right. I think you guys are probably getting the hang of this, but we'll go ahead and just do one more just for the sake of it. So this time we're gonna do 2 positive numbers, 4 minus 6. Once again, change to addition and change the sign. It's kind of awkward. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, so this final example, we will just start right up here. So we're gonna go to positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna have to change directions and go 6 in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gets us an answer of -2. Okay, I have to reach for another color here. I got one. Unlock. I'm just gonna go ahead and square this example off like this. And square this example off here. Okay, so again, this is just showing you that subtraction problems are really just, you solve them the same way as you solve addition problems. You just have to change them to addition problems first by changing the subtraction symbol to a plus sign and then changing the sign of the second value. Okay, so that is 3 different ways, or really I guess 2 different ways to model out subtracting integers, and then you have your rule. All right guys, there you have it.